ETW. There goes 4 stars on that cover, and here I am, the COO. And apparently we have a person joining us tonight, so let's bring him out. It's the BL boy, Brock Lesnar. I know I've been gone for a long time, but after I beat CM Punk after SummerSlam, everything changed. See, I come back because I declare myself #1 contender for the ETW World Heavyweight Championship. Me, BL boy, ready, because after the Elimination Freezer pay-per-view, it will never be the same. Because John Apple Juice feed Cena, you will see somebody as the new ETW World Heavyweight Champion. Now, I want to bring out that fruity pebble, John the Appleseed. Come on, John. Whoa. Yo, you're not getting Cena. You're getting me. Brock, you guys been running around here claiming yourself as #1 contender for everything, man. It's my turn to talk. So, Brock, shut up, man. What did you say to me? What? I said, shut up and get your nose out of my eyeball. Get your eyeball out of my nose. You want to tussle? Bring it on. It's not gonna happen, boy. He's getting ready for the F5. I thought he said, not now. Oh my god. Oh, F5. The Beast is back. Next up, we will have the Big Blow join us. Last week, I didn't get my match with CM Dunk. Oh, right? No. I'm a little tired, because before I came out, I had a donut. I'm a little stuffy. Whoa, how'd you get here? Enough of your bullcrap, Big Show. Hey, that's what we're gonna call you. Bullcrap Big Show. Anyway, you want a match with me? You got a match with me, man. And after I'm done with you, I'm gonna beat John the Appleseed for the ETW World Heavyweight Championship in my rematch. So now, I'm just gonna kick your... Whoa, look how high Big Show has CM Punk. Oh! Chokeslam. Go for the cover. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Wait a minute, this was a match? Last week, I pinned Hunter Hearst Helmsley, or as everybody else would call him, Triple H. But his wife calls him Paul Levesque. But anyway, since I'm out here, I might as well just make the best of it. I'm gonna beat CM Punk at that Elimination Freezer pay-per-view. And after I do that, I'm gonna go on to headline WrestleMania and wait until the Undertaker decides who he wants to face. Well, he can't decide because he's facing me after I beat CM Punk. I mean, look at this. Hold on, let me pause for a second. I'm both champions. And if he picks one of these championships, I'm facing him either way. But back to what I'm talking about. I will beat Undertaker at WrestleMania, and I will go on to headline as a Hall of Famer, as the ETW World Heavyweight Dong 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 Dong. Hey, what happened to the screen? Why's the screen going dark? John, I'm facing you at WrestleMania for both championships. Where did he go? Where did he go? Next, we're going to get an explanation from Alberto Del Rio, Kane, and Tensai for why they attacked Eddie Guerrero last week. Anyway, I make beating people up in a group look awesome. Just shut up. Shut up. Me and Truth, we made a song for you. Truth, let's sing it. Hit it, people. Doom, 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 I got a thought. What you think? Pipe on. Should I say it, bruh? Why not, cuz? Why not, cuz? The beat tight chick, the moon right chick, it's today's music. You ain't got it right, yeah. If it's out of tune, yeah. Pulling some auto tune, yeah. If the pitch is wrong, it don't matter, just leave it large. Wake up in the morning, breath still smell good. Alberto Del Rio smell good in the morning. That make no sense. I'm a rap star. Forget it. He's a porn star. Now I got it going on. What you got, Kane? Oh yeah, you got your face burnt, man. I ain't talking about Tensai Fat Albert. He's white, man. He got fat bursts. I said, Kofi Kingston, Rey Mysterio, Daniel Bryan. Ugh. Shut up! Shut off the music. Just shut up. That was so horrible. I guess we should have a match, shouldn't we? Rey Mysterio, R-Truth versus Kofi Kingston taking on Kane, Alberto Del Rio, and Tensai in a 6-on-6 tag team match. Ding, ding, ding. Wait, the match started? I didn't even get to throw my hat. Tensai has him. Tensai has him. And, planted him. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Rey Mysterio and Kofi Kingston is shot. Oh, as Tensai knocks him down. There is an unstoppable team right there. And next, our main event. It will be Daniel Boy Bryan versus BL Boy. And a no disqualification match. Check out my hat. BL Boy is the best. Yes, he is. He is the best man, yes. From my wedding, yes, he was. He is like the best man in the whole wild world, plus tax. And his opponent. Yes, 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 man, yes. Ding, ding, ding. Colorable tie-up. Got him in a DDT hold, and we'll be back live from ETW. Money Mike gets all his wrestling toys from RingsideCollectibles.com, Toys R Us, Walmart, Target, Kmart, and that's about it. Oh yeah, and that's Toy Store, Toys Am. And we're back at ETW. As Daniel Bryan's getting destroyed by BL Boy. BL Boy about to go high risk. Here we go. Oh, he hit his head. 1, 2. Oh, BL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. going for the diving headbutt. Here we go. Oh, hit the ropes. Daniel Bryan gonna try again. He's gonna try it one more time. And oh, he got it. Now Daniel Bryan going for the running knee. He's gonna go for it. He's going for it. The knee. The knee. Bow. Oh my God. Oh my God. F5 to Daniel Bryan. Ow! Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. Here's your winner. BL Boy. So it is true. Daniel Bryan can try all he wants, but he will never beat BL Boy. This is awkward. This is awkward. This is awkward. Triple H and Brock Lesnar. And no. F5. No, F5. No. Oh, F5. Boo. We'll see you next week. ETW proudly presents ETW Night of New Year. It's a little too late for that, but oh well. Good night and goodbye. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day.